Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about TransferWise and a brief overview on how to use this app. So let's go ahead and get this started. So first off, if you don't have the app already, be sure to check the description. I'll put the referral link there, or you can easily go to the Google Play or Apple Store and download it. It's this app right here, TransferWise. It has this little flag, like a blue icon flag. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up now. All right, so here I am inside the app. I've already registered the app. If you haven't registered already, it's pretty easy. You can connect it with your social media, or you can just register with your email like I did, and it just asks some basic information before you get the functioning part of the app up. However, I'm going to go ahead and just show you what the app looks like inside and some basic functions. So first off, I'm going to click on activity right here. So on activity right here, it's going to show any kind of transfers or transactions that you have had recently. So I haven't used this app too often. I just found out about it recently and sent some money out to pay for some items in Brazil, and it was pretty easy. Again, here is the activity. I'll go ahead and click into this transaction here. All right, so here I am in the transaction, and as you can see, it lists off the amount of money I sent, who I sent it to, and it even provides a timeline of when the money was requested and then when it was actually completed. It does show information about what the conversion ratio was as well. So let me go ahead and click out of that. Next, we'll click on account. All right, so this is the account. This is if you want to set up the TransferWise debit MasterCard. I haven't done that yet. I'll probably do that today. But if you have experience using this debit card, be sure to leave a comment below because I've heard a lot of things about it. Basically, you can hold different currencies inside this one debit card, which is really interesting. If you have experience about that, leave us a comment. Let us know if you enjoy using that debit card. Next, I'm going to click on this send button. All right, so this is the function where you would send money to someone throughout the world, and you can see what the conversion ratio would be. So if you're going to send, let's say $100, and you're going to send to a different country. So it has all these different countries listed here. We'll go ahead and click on maybe Chinese. So you'll immediately see what the total fees are along with the currency conversion ratio. So the thing is, you may know this already, but when you're sending money internationally, many companies will charge you a fee to send the money. So for example, this one, I will be charged $4.29. And they also charge a margin on the amount of money that they receive on the other end. So the nice thing about this app is it tells you exactly how much they're going to get. And the cool feature about this is you can see a price comparison. So we'll go ahead and click there. All right. So it does compare two different websites with this. And actually, there have been a couple of different times, depending on the country, there are more than one provider. So for example, when I sent to Brazil, I think there were 4 different providers, and then they'll give you the price difference for their app and then the other apps. So for this one, actually, it's saying that if I use TransferWise, which is this app, the person will receive 622 Chinese currency. I'm not sure what they're called, but if I use Zoom, they're going to get 644. So that's actually a better price. And that's really interesting because at the top here, it says we're always honest with our customers. And honestly, it seems there's a cheaper way to send money to China. So that's really a neat feature about this app. So that's the basic rundown of the send money portion. Be sure to go back and check my other video that walks step by step and shows you exactly what it looks like when you're sending money through TransferWise. All right, next I'm going to go to recipients. All right, here we are in recipients. So these are the people who you sent money to or will send money to. Once you've added them into your account, then it'll be easy to send them money again in the future. You can just click on their icon and then the historical information will auto-populate. You can also add new people as well right here at the top. Once you're in this screen, then you are asked, who are you sending money to? Yourself, if you're sending yourself money into a different currency, or someone else. Most likely it's going to be someone else, so you would just click there. All right, and then once you're in the screen here, then you get to add in their information, currency type, their name, their email if you want them to get notifications, and then click add. Be sure to go back and watch my other video on adding a recipient into TransferWise. All right, lastly, the function we're going to look at is invite. So right now, TransferWise has a promotion going that you earn $75 for every 3 friends who transfer over $300 using the app. So if you have friends that might be using this or people that you know, it's an easy way to make a little bit of extra money. Just click right here, invite friends. You can give them access to your contacts if you want. I'm not going to do that. And then once you get to this screen, you can choose how you would like to invite your friends. Invite via email, WhatsApp, text message, or copy my invite link. I'll go ahead and click on copy my invite link. And then now it's been copied to my clipboard, so I can just paste it in wherever I choose, whether it's in an email. I'm going to go ahead and paste my invite code into the description. So be sure to check there if you're thinking about using TransferWise. So there you have it. That's a brief rundown of TransferWise. Hopefully you found the video useful. If so, click thumbs up, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.